My name is Sean with US Funeral Expenses. How are you doing today? Doing good?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm just doing fine. Thank you so much for asking to me. And how was your health? It's good today?
Mm-hmm.
Seems like you woke up today on the right side of your bed,
Yeah,
don't
that's
you?
right. That's right.
So, well, sir, my name is Sean Murphy. I am the Senior Benefit Coordinator over here. And today I would like to let you know that about the final expense insurance policy that we are promoting some discounts in 2025. So I want to tell, like, explain each and everything in the front of you. I'm not gonna to take your too much time, at least 2 to 3 minutes. Would that be fine to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. So basically, I would like to let you know that how final expense insurance policy works, how this plan can benefit you and your lovely family as well. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, all of these new state regulated plans are designed to cover 100% cost of your funeral, burial, or cremation expenses,
Mm-hmm.
or any of the debts or obligation that you may leave. You can also cover it.
All right.
Since we are appointed with 40 different top A-rated insurance companies, such as Mutual of Omaha, AIG, Prosperity, Liberty Bankers, Royal Neighbors of America, and many more. I believe you heard some of those companies' name before as well, right?
Yeah, I've heard about some of these.
So what I will do shopping from all of those 40 different insurance companies and let you know that which company is providing you the maximum benefit in your state. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I will also promise you for three things over here. Number one, I will make sure you get a policy today within your affordable budget. Number two, there is no physical or medical exams on you. Number three, you will have no one comes to your doorstep to discuss anything. I will do everything on this single phone call. By the end of this call, I will hand you over your policy number or I will close your file permanently and let you go for the rest of your life. Would that be fine?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that would be fine.
At any point you got any question or any concern, you can feel free to ask me.
So how much would it cost me?
Let me tell you that all of these insurance policies totally depended on your health condition and some other factors. I will have to make sure each and everything, then I can qualify you for discounts and let you know which company is providing you the maximum benefit with minimum possible premiums. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So first of all, would you like to get this coverage just for you or for someone else in your family as well?
I would like it to for myself for now.
Okay, for now yourself. I will explain each and everything with in front of you, the prices, the benefits as well. Then you can make your mind to buy this policy for your family as well. Okay.
But I already have an insurance policy in place.
That's not a big problem. I'm not asking you to change your insurance policies. Sir, like what you can do, you can just receive the documents and read those documents by yourself, discuss over your family. If you think this insurance policy is good for you, then you can start it. Otherwise, no problem.
Okay.
So that, as I said, all of these insurance policies depended on your health condition and some other factors. So first of all, how old are you?
Why do you need my age?
Well, as I said, all of these insurance policies depended on your health condition and some other factors. That's why, sir.
Okay, I'm 68.
68. Well, your sounds like 20 or 22. You know that? Well, I was just assuming I'm talking with a young boy.
Oh, okay.
So just to qualify you for the discounts, I want to make sure what's your date of birth.
It's March the 3rd, 1956, I believe. Yeah.
Oh, are you sure? Like it's March the 5th, 1953?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
56.
Oh, it's 56.
Mm-hmm.
So what's your first and the last name just to address you properly?
You should have my first and last name. You guys call me. I didn't call you.
No, I don't have all your personal information, sir. We're just having like your phone numbers. That's it.
Okay, so my phone number is.
No, I need your name.
Okay, my first name is Simon. My last name is Walker.
Simon Walker.
Yeah.
Well, it's such a good name.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you.
So, Mr. Simon Walker, as I said, are you currently employed, self-employed, or you're retired?
Well, I'm retired. Yeah, I'm
Oh.
retired.
If you are retired, so are you on your social security income or you are on your disability income?
I'm on both. I'm on disability income.
Oh, disability income. What type of disability you got? What's your nature of your
So
disability?
I sort of had injuries, right?
Mm-hmm.
Back then when I was in military.
Oh, you're like a veteran?
Yeah, I'm a veteran. Yeah,
Oh, I understand. I understand. So, God bless you. God give you good health and long, happy, and healthy life.
so I lost my legs.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry
in a
to hear
war.
about
Yeah.
it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I understand when you don't have legs, so that's so much problem.
Yeah, it feels really bad, but I got used to it, so I
It's
know how to cope up with it now.
yes.
Yeah.
So, sir, moving on, I just simply want to make sure if you are on your disability income, so you are receiving your income in like your savings account or maybe like a checking account, right?
Right.
Okay, sir. So that's great. So now I'm gonna go ahead and ask you 3 to 4 basic health questions.
Mm-hmm.
By the end of those questions, you can say yes or no, and please don't take anything offensive. Okay?
All right. Okay.
So what I'm telling you that I'm gonna go ahead and ask you 3 to 4 basic health questions. By the end of the questions, you can say yes or no.
All right. For now, let's just skip the health question. Just
Oh,
yeah, let's just assume I have no issues, no major health issues. I'm not
but
taking any
disability.
medications. The only thing I do is I have the disability because I got injured and I lost my legs
Oh,
right
in
in
the
the war.
accident, like no about
It
not
was
about
just a
like
bomb.
health
It was just a
conditions.
bomb. It was a bomb.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And then I don't have. I'm not like taking any medication. I'm not a smoker. Yeah.
Okay, I understand. So, well, I am having like a 4 questions for you. The 2 questions I already asked you about the discounts, and the 2 are just left. So, I'm asking you those questions that the third discount is for a residential discount.
Mm-hmm.
So, I want to make sure in which state you are currently residing in.
I'm residing in Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas. Okay, and what's your zip code?
It's 77503.
77503. I understand. Well, like you give your heart to the Houston, Texas, or the Texas loves you the most.
I should say we both love each other. Texas loves me, and I love Texas because I've been here since I was born, so I never moved anywhere else.
Oh, I understand. Well, congratulations for like you are qualifying for 59% discount because you are residing in the state of Texas,
Mm-hmm.
and we were having like a first like main taxes,
Okay.
so that's why.
All right.
So moving on, I just simply like want to make sure that currently what is your height and how much do you weigh?
I'm I'm 5'6" and I weigh about 160 pounds.
Well, such a great shape of body that you got in the age of 68 as well. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
So, sir, with all of your health conditions and all the things I got over here, I'm having a very great company known as Royal Neighbors of America. Have you ever heard about this company?
Yeah, I've heard about this one.
Okay, sir. So, this company were born in 1900.
Mm-hmm.
Like, this company is older than you and older than me as well.
Oh, okay.
So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the options with this insurance company, and then you can let me know which option is making sense for you.
All right.
Then I will go ahead and send you the documents at your doorstep.
Mm-hmm.
After receiving the documents, you have 30 to 35 days to think about those insurance policy and make your decision that this insurance policy is good for you or not. Okay?
All right.
So let me tell you about the benefits as well that you can get with this insurance policy.
Mm-hmm.
The first benefit is called accelerated living benefit. Let me explain how it's worked. This benefit works like after taking a policy. Let's suppose you were diagnosed with any kind of terminal illness or you got any like of emergency.
Mm-hmm.
So what you can do, you can just simply withdraw up to 50 to 80% face value of your policy in your life as well
Okay.
to pay your medical bills or take care of any emergency or any other events, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And the second benefit is called day one coverage. Day one coverage means like there is no waiting period for you on this insurance policy, okay?
Okay.
Third benefit is called a cash value benefit. A cash value benefit work like every year your worth amount is gonna be increased. You are gonna get the 10% interest on your premiums, okay?
Sorry, what was that? Say that again.
It's like you can get the 10% interest on your premiums every year. It's like work a cash, it is gonna increase your worth amount.
Okay.
So there's a lot of benefits that you can get with this insurance policy. So with all of those benefits, I am having the great 2 options for you.
Mm-hmm.
The first option that I am having over here, that is going to be the $10,000 worth of coverage amount.
Mm-hmm.
And with the $10,000, your premiums gonna be just $59.16 a month.
Well, that's too much for me right now.
Okay. Like you can let me know how much you can spend on your family expense insurance policy monthly.
I think I can afford about like
Mm-hmm.
30 to 40 bucks a month.
Okay, $40. So with your $40, let me check the options for you. Okay, with your $40, like your coverage amount is gonna be coming up as $5,000 worth of coverage amount with premiums $40.16.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. Okay, sir. So now let me tell you the whole process.
Let's just skip this part, right?
Okay.
Yeah, just give me. Let's just skip this part because you give me the prices.
Yes.
You asked me the medical health
Now I'm
conditions.
gonna like put
Now
you on
after the
application.
prices, yeah. Now after the prices, you told it was from American Amicable,
No, Royal Neighbors of America.
Royal Neighbors of America, right?
Yes.
I wrote down the premiums and pretty much everything. Now just let's
Okay.
proceed with the call.
So now I am like letting you know the process. With the after this process, I will like put you on application. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I'm telling you that I will like fetch my documents and fill up a small application for you for the licensed agent. What I will do, I will take this all over to the licensed agent.
All right.
My licensed agent gonna do, he will conduct a telephonic interview with the insurance carrier, Royal Neighbors of America.
All right.
When they get approved, like the approval mean that you are gonna be receive the documents in next 2 days.
Okay.
So once you get approved with insurance carrier, we will send you the documents and you know what to do next.
All right.
So you want me to put this policy on your name, Simon Walker, right?
Yes, sir.
So just to put your name on this insurance policy and get yourself approved, I just want to make sure what is your social.
Why do you need my social?
Oh, let me explain, sir. As I said, I'm gonna put this insurance policy on your name. I need an identity. As you know better than me, there's a lot of people as the same name like you,
Okay.
like Simon Walker. A lot of people's got a same name, right? So that's why I will have to give you an identity. You know better than me, like there's just one identity exists for a people, social security number. So I
Okay.
will put that in your application.
Well, they told me not to give my social security number to anybody.
I understand, sir. So, well, if you are thinking that I'm not a valid person, then how I am providing you all the information?
Okay.
Don't you think like a scammer don't like able to provide you all this information, like the prices?
I don't know. I trust you. You sound like a really nice man, but you know,
So,
they told me
I'm
not
not-
to give my social security number to nobody.
I understand, sir. I'm not like we are working with under the federal HIPAA law. If you hang up the call, all of your information has been deleted from my system, or I will transfer your call to anyone else. All of your information has been deleted from this
Okay.
computer because it's like a setup.
You sure you're not gonna give my social security to nobody?
I am not able to, sir.
Okay, my social security XYZ.
XYZ. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
So move on. Like you provided to me this. So now I am gonna go ahead and check in my portal. It will take just a second, and then I will move on.
Okay.
Okay, it's correct. And you were born here in the Houston, Texas, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So now what I was just like letting you know that I am just simply want to make sure if you choose to take this cover, then who would be your beneficiary?
Maybe my spouse,
Your spouse. And what's your spouse name?
Barbara Walker.
Barbara Walker.
Yeah.
Well, after that, I want to make sure how old is she? Any roughly idea you got?
She is the same age as I am.
Oh, she's.
I think
insane.
she's 67. Just
67. Oh, I
one year
understand.
younger. Yeah.
So, sir, like what I can do for you, I can also like fill up an application for your wife as well. Like
Not
for
right
both of
now.
you.
Not right now. I don't
Oh,
want
no
to do that
problem.
right now.
No problem. When you
Maybe
receive the
next time,
documents, you
next
can
time.
like call me back and you can get this policy for your wife as well. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So moving on, I just simply like want to make sure that like what is your home address where you can receive the documents?
It's XYZ.
XYZ. Okay. So moving on, I just simply like want to make sure like what is the most convenient date for you when you get paid, like the first of the month, second of the month, third of the month, or first, second, third, or fourth Wednesday of the month.
I think I get paid on the first Wednesday of the month.
First Wednesday of the month. So it will coming up like 6th of March maybe.
Yeah.
Yes, let me check the 6th of March. Yes.
Okay.
So what you can do, you can receive the documents, and after receiving the documents, if you may think this policy is making sense for you, then you can make your first premium on
The 6th of March.
yes on 6th of March.
I got
And for
you.
the future date, first Wednesday of each month.
Yes, sir. That's right.
So like you told me that, like you got a checking account, right? So the last question from my side, whom do you bank with?
I bank with the Citibank.
Citibank.
Citibank, yeah.
Like how do you spell it?
Well, it's Citibank. Citibank.
Oh, it's like start with S.
Yeah.
Okay. So after that, as you know better than me, routing number basically is a branch code. When we open our account in the same area in the same bank, we got the same routing number that I am having over here in the front of me. I will go ahead and share the numbers with you.
Okay.
What you will have to do, you will just have to let me know the numbers I'm providing you, it's correct or not.
So how do you guys get the
Mhm.
routing number for the customers?
Like we will just simply go on Google, put the bank name, then the state, and then routing number.
So it will come up.
Yes, it will come up.
There is no like science rocket to get
No,
the
no.
routing
Just
number.
simple it.
All right. Okay. Gotcha.
So I believe you were having like a checkbook in your handy.
Yeah. Let me.
Because it will make easy for you to make sure the numbers.
I'll look at it. Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
Okay, you got your checkbook. So on the leftmost bottom corner, you can see the set of numbers, right? So I'm gonna read the numbers for you. It's 202, 202, 202. You can see the numbers.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
Can you please repeat it back to me?
Yeah. It's the same one.
The same
Forget
one?
about this one. Yeah.
And you can see the next set of number as well, right?
Yeah. The middle one.
Yeah, the middle one.
Yeah, I can see it. It's
So-
it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir. I just fill up all of your information in my application.
And what if somebody doesn't want to give you their
Oh.
account number? How you gonna convince that?
So we will just simply say
this is
that
the most
like the
irritating part of the call.
the
right?
majority of the customers like don't know on their checkbook they were having like their account number.
Yeah.
So that's like you can say it's a benefit for us.
No, if somebody doesn't
Like-
want to give you their account number,
So
like if
we
they're
will
not agree
just
to you,
like we will
how
let
you're
them know.
gonna rebut the customer?
We are gonna say that like there's a lot of rebuttals, but that what I'm using, I will
Which
tell
one
them.
works for you?
It will like I will say I told you the routing number. Routing number is like a branch code.
Okay.
It will show us that you were having your account in this bank in this area, but the account number, it shows that you were having your bank account in this bank or not. That's it.
Okay.
So that's how it's worked. They will provide it to me, but more.
No, if somebody doesn't want to give you their account number and they're asking for like for a reason why you need their account number.
So we will let them know that we will have to make sure that you are having your bank account in this or not, because when you receive the document, if you make your mind to start your payments, so then like you can start it. Then we know each and everything. You just start your premiums,
Okay, right.
and
So
with your authorization, we can also cut your premiums in your bank account as well with your permission.
all right, okay.
So that's how it's worked. They will provide it to us, but like most of time, they don't know where to find it if they were not having checkbook or the bank statement.
All right.
Anything like you can
और
say.
फिर इसके बाद क्या होता है? अकाउंट नंबर आपने सारा
उसके
कुछ
बाद
ले
हम
लिया।
यही करते हैं कि हम आगे जो लाइसेंस एजेंट होते हैं उनको कॉल ट्रांसफर करते हैं, फिर वो कंपनी के साथ जो टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू होता है वो कंप्लीट करके हमें बताते हैं